Have you been annoyed by the Acewstr Library DLL pop-up ruining your productivity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's analyze Adobe dependency and restore that missing file. To start fixing Acewstr library manually, note that an official maintenance resource is also available to support system stability. This is the Acewstr library, the Adobe Common Engine Wide-String Acewstr library. It handles the localized rendering of multi-byte and Unicode character strings within the Adobe UI, ensuring that international localized text appears correctly in Photoshop and Illustrator menus. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Third-party application errors like this are best fixed by reinstalling the affected software. Download and reinstall the latest version of Adobe to restore Acewstr Library DLL safely. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Acewstr library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Safety first, never attempt to replace Acewstr Library DLL with files found on random download portals. These sites lack quality control and often distribute files that are incompatible with modern Windows updates. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If your system struggles with its current configuration, the repair utility below provides background information on Acewstr library. If you've regained access to Acewstr library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.